welcome back to another beautiful car. This is the most anticipated automobile for me at this show because this car will be in my garage. As much as I love the very expensive, very fancy, I mean, all of Mercedes is next door, this car here is going to be in the garage in the next short while. I'm very impressed with all the outside stuff. It's very modern, I guess evolutionary for the Buick brand, but we're not here to look at cars from the exterior. All I care about is sitting in it because this has some of the most beautiful seats. Close this door so I don't have to listen to that. Now this is delightful. These seats are actually spectacular. They're actually an extremely similar fit to my Camaro. Like very, very close. I actually find the side bolstering is a little bit more aggressive. And if I play with some buttons on the sides, no. There's so many seat adjustments on this thing. I don't know which buttons which. More, multiple lumbars, I get it. You guys are willing to break my back. Oh my god. Okay, so this thing just shifts all over the place. Interior of the 2018 Buick Regal GS is absolutely top notch. This shifter here is great. All of these little storage pockets, cup holders. I mean, I think I'm becoming a bit of a Buick fanboy. I think I might be ditching the Chevy camp and going into something like this. Everything is nice to the touch. The little, this fake carbon fiber here looks nice. The screen's great. The integration's absolutely top notch. The steering wheel is superb. Feels just like my Camaro with great 10 and 2 notches. Like it's really, really wonderful. I like the door handle positioning. It's very intuitive. The mirrors look great. Sunroof is still tiny, same as the last one, but more than acceptable. This is just a really, really great car. And I am really, really impressed with what Buick has done with this, and I am looking forward to test driving one of these. They're not going to be that rare, so getting my hands on one shouldn't be that difficult. So I'm going to spend some more time and get some more beauty shots of this bad boy. Until next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always. Alright, we're back down here at the auto show. This time I am amongst company and I'm not down here for media day. And I wanted to show you guys something pretty ridiculous. Sportback. This would have been a great idea in the Camaro. Everybody complains, watch your hand, Jim. I don't want to crush it, but everybody complains about loading and unloading your vehicle. Imagine if you walked up, clicked your bow tie, unlocks your trunk, and when you open it up, you have access to everything. This would have been a very effective solution to a very ongoing problem. Is what it is, but good job, Buick. All right, in 4K at the auto show, Buick has a, what is it, Buick Cafe, quality and elegance. They literally put the Buick logo in cream.
That is outstanding.
In the top of the mocha.
It's all about the details.
That is an outstanding feature.